So, your app isn't controlling your hearing aids anymore? This complaint has happened more times than you would think. Patients will think it's the phone or the hearing aids, but sometimes it's just an unknowing mistake. Sometimes the app gets put back into demo mode. So before jumping to conclusions about the hearing aid or the app, determine if your app is indeed in demo mode. You will see the word demo in a red square at the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. You may or may not also notice features and programs you didn't remember having on your app before. If this happens, tap the More button on your lower right-hand corner of the ReSound Smart app and make sure the button on the right of the demo is grayed out. Now your hearing aid should connect to your app.